Passage 2. Bugs Are the Future by Leah Lott. Eating bugs is not something that just a few people do. It is estimated that about 2 billion people around the world are incorporating bugs into their diet, and that about 1,900 species of bugs are being consumed and enjoyed. Even though entomophagy, the practice of eating bugs, is not very accepted in Western countries, entomophagy advocates are trying to change that by teaching people that eating bugs doesn't have to be weird and that it's very beneficial. You might be wondering, why are people saying we should eat bugs? What are the benefits? Many experts predict that the number of people in the world will continue to increase and that the amount of agricultural land and water sources will decrease. If that happens, then there will be less crops and livestock available. Humans need protein and other nutrients to grow and be healthy. Right now, most Americans get their protein from plants and animals. But what if those things became scarce? How else could people get their protein? Believe it or not, they can get it from eating bugs. Bugs are a very healthy source of food. They contain a lot of protein, fiber, healthy fats, and important nutrients, such as calcium and iron. Grasshoppers, for example, have almost as much protein as lean ground beef, but less fat. Mealworms have a lot of the same health benefits as fish. Experts believe bugs are the food of the future. Another reason why many people are excited about entomophagy is because they say it'll help the environment. Raising livestock requires using many resources. Think about a cow and how much space it needs. The bigger the animal, the more land, feed, and water is needed to raise it. And think about growing crops. You can't just grow crops wherever you want. You need clean air, healthy soil, sunlight, warm temperatures, and room for the plants to grow. Bugs, on the other hand, don't need a lot of room or resources to grow. They can be fed and nurtured in almost any setting. Mealworms, for example, can be raised in a plastic tub. For food, all they need is a layer of oats or other grains. Slices of potatoes, vegetables, or fruit provide water to worms. They don't need sunlight. One more exciting thing about farming bugs is that it doesn't require using special machinery, which means that anyone, even poor families, could participate and earn money. This is a picture of farming animals and crops uses a lot of resources. Bugs, however, can be grown just about anywhere and are easy to feed. There are many different ways to cook insects, and it isn't hard to do. They can be fried in a pan, boiled, sautéed, roasted, or baked with a bit of oil and salt. They can be ground into a floury powder and used to make bars, breads, crackers, and cookies. There are so many different types of edible bugs that if you don't like one kind, you can try other kinds. Many people who try bugs for the first time are surprised that they don't taste gross or buggy. In fact, many people have said that they taste like other foods that people in the United States love. It has been said that mealworms taste like roasted peanuts, crickets taste like almonds, bamboo worms taste like salty popcorn, tarantula legs taste like chicken wings, and sago grubs taste like bacon. Not everyone in the U.S. is against trying bugs. Some celebrities have eaten bugs and think they are tasty. Zac Efron, for example, ate a scorpion in front of a live audience and said it was really good. Then he tried a Taiwanese cricket and said, "That is the best one." Kids are trying them too. Each time there is a Brooklyn Bugs Festival, many children attend. While at the festival, Holly and her friend from Tennessee both ate a cricket for the first time. When asked what they thought, Holly said, "It's good." Brooklyn Bugs is a group that is trying to make eating bugs normal. They are really trying to get kids involved because they believe kids are much more willing to change the stigma than Americans have. Athea Price, now an adult, has been trying to change the stigma for a while now. She has been eating bugs ever since she was 13 years old and created a website. Her website teaches people how to raise bugs for food and how to eat them. Athea's favorite dishes include mealworm, chocolate chip cookies, and ant tacos. Students at an elementary school in Denver, Colorado, had the opportunity to give cricket cookies a taste. They were each given 2 cookies, one with normal flour and one with cricket flour. When asked what they thought, one girl said that the cookie with the cricket flour tasted softer. Another student said that they couldn't even taste a difference. One boy was so excited about the cookie that he said he would be willing to go home and eat bugs. College students are also giving bugs a chance. Crickets are being served at the University of Connecticut. Students buy them and put them on their tacos, eat them to get protein, or buy them to have fun. Entomophagy advocates are hopeful that America will eventually accept eating bugs. History has shown that dietary patterns can change. In fact, about 20 years ago, people thought eating raw fish was disgusting. Now, almost everybody loves sushi. So things can change, even if it takes time. In this passage, your glossary words were consume, which means to eat or drink; agricultural land, land that can be used to raise livestock or grow crops; advocates, people who publicly and strongly support a certain cause or rule; livestock, animals that are grown and raised so that humans can use them, sheep, cows, chickens, etc. And stigma, something that has negative attachment to it.